How to get statements from Bank of America app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can get statements from Bank of America app. For this, you want to download and install the Bank of America app. Head over to Play Store or App Store to do so. Once you have downloaded the application, make sure to log into your account by entering all of your credentials. Once you have been logged in, select the account you want from the accounts menu or home screen. Then tap on the option of Statements and Documents. Now you want to click the blue link for the month statement you want to download. Then tap on the Download PDF option. In this way, you can easily download your statement as PDF. You can also request copies of your statements online or by mail. You can also manage your paperless settings in the app or online banking. To do so, you want to select Statements and Documents, then select Manage your paperless statements, choose Online only and select Save changes. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.